The materials needed include a piece of black chenille, a piece of yellow chenille, and a black hackle. Okay, you notice we've already got weight on our hook there. Now we take a piece of our hackle for our tail, right up on top of there, tie it down, and our black chenille. Wrap the thread forward right to the lead, our thorax area. Oh, this is a great fly. Okay, now what we're going to do is take this chenille like so and make a loop right there. Now we want to take our hackle, tie in the tip, tie in our yellow chenille, and build our front up here. I want this to be a little bit bigger than the rest of the fly, and it will be because you have some lead there, but I just like to build it up a little bit more. Tie it off, then we take our hackle. These are for the legs. Now we bring this part, this is going to be the wing casing. Tie it down good. Now we just make our head. Use the whip finisher, and there's the Montana stonefly. Oh, I like that one.